I'm Tracy Naylor Griffin. I'm the Paramedicine Program Chair here at Albany Technical College. I've been in EMS for 30 years now, and over 20 of those years also in EMS education. So our program consists of the EMT, Advanced EMT, and Paramedic Education. We have the EP12 EMS Professions Diploma, which is the entry level to the profession. With that, it covers the EMT certification as well as the Advanced EMT certification. And we also have the new FIE3 Fire and EMS Occupational Degree that for those that want to be cross-trained in fire and EMS, we can accommodate those students also. That's the entry level. Once they obtain their Advanced EMT certification, they can roll into our paramedic program. We offer a diploma and a degree at the paramedic level, and those students can take the National Registry certifying exam and become a paramedic after 4 semesters. I think the ability to learn how to take care of people is probably the most exciting thing to me. We train with the newest equipment and technology that's available. We have excellent partnerships, one of them being Air Evac. They come in and do our LZ classes and help us with additional training. And it's always exciting whenever you see a helicopter land and take off. We also have excellent partnerships with Area EMS Services. They provide preceptors and training for our students whenever they do their clinical ride times. We make simulation in the lab as realistic as possible. We've got an excellent staff, excellent faculty here with veteran instructors, veteran paramedics that can make that training realistic and prepare the student before they ever actually get out there and start working in the field. So our EMT graduates, after 2 semesters, they're eligible to sit for their national certifying exam at the EMT level. Once they obtain that certification, they can file and get a Georgia license, and with that start working with any of the EMS departments in the area. Usually EMTs start out somewhere between $14 and $15 an hour depending on the service. And they can continue their training to the Advanced EMT level, and with that Advanced EMT certification and license, they can then get a pay increase. And most area departments, because of the personnel shortage, there's a tremendous EMS shortage in not just the state, but in the country as a whole. They can pretty much start full-time as an Advanced EMT, and they're making somewhere around $16 an hour. Advanced EMTs can then continue their training to the paramedic level, and paramedics will start anywhere around $18, $19 an hour with some of the area services. Those degree students can then do a multitude of things. They can continue on with some of the colleges that offer bachelor's degrees in EMS, as well as in public health and health management. They can also, a lot of our students continue on and do the RN, paramedic to RN bridge program, and they can take that degree and do a multitude of things with it. One of the things that we say most frequently with our program is practice makes perfect, perfect practice makes permanent. And we train you and build those instincts so that you can be the absolute best provider for emergency pre-hospital care.